Did you know a man once faked sailing around the world and his empty boat kept going long after he disappeared? In 1968, Donald Crowhurst entered a solo race to circumnavigate the globe. He had no real chance of finishing. His boat was falling apart before he even left England, but he went anyway. When it became clear he couldn't survive the journey, he stopped. He drifted in the South Atlantic for months, sending fake position updates back home. The world thought he was racing. He was going nowhere. And then the isolation started doing something to him. His logbooks tell the story. Hundreds of pages of writing that begins as a plan to deceive and slowly becomes something else entirely. The handwriting gets worse. The ideas get stranger. He starts writing about time, about God, about escaping the rules of the universe. The last entry is dated July 1st, 1969. His boat was found 10 days later, still sailing. No distress signal, no body, everything in its place, except him. 243 days alone had taken him somewhere no rescue crew could follow.